Hey there! In today's video, I want to share with you the amazing artworks I created using AI. Check out this stunning piece. And how about this one? Oh, and let's not forget about this artwork, it's truly unique. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it.
AI tools.
AI tools.
AI
will not replace your job.
Welcome to AI for Creatives. To get started, head over to prompthunt.com. If you haven't already, make sure to sign up or log in. And before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's click on the templates section. Take a look at the available options. For this demonstration, I've chosen a particular template. Go ahead and click on Try Template. Once you're on the template page, this is where the magic happens. You'll see a text field where you can enter your desired prompt. Describe how you want your artwork to look like. Voila! Look at this cute nerdy doggy that AI has generated based on our prompt. If you're happy with your artwork, you can click on the pencil icon at the top corner of the image and then select Download to save it. But let's not stop there. Let's try something different. This time, let's ask Mr. AI to create a nerdy-looking Black Panther smoking a cigar. Now, we wait and see what AI comes up with. Amazing, right? Look at this creative and adorable artwork. Repeat the process we used earlier to download it. So there you have it. With the power of AI, you can create your own unique artworks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and show some love to this video. Thank you for watching.